We're making corn salsa with corn off the cob made in our Instant Pot. We have a link to this recipe in this video's description, which is found right underneath this video. And that's me. I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes, reminding y'all to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's start this recipe off by trimming our ears of corn so that they'll fit in our Instant Pot. You can feel where the corn starts and stops, and just push a knife right through there. We'll add 1 cup of water to our Instant Pot. Then we'll place our trimmed ears of corn into the Instant Pot. Tuck them down so our lid will fit. And we'll put our Instant Pot lid on. Seal our pressure release valve. And we'll pressure cook for 3 minutes. Release the pressure as soon as those 3 minutes are finished. And the corn husk and silks peel right off your corn. How easy is that? And we'll cut our corn right off the cob. And we'll flip our knife over and run it down the cob. Make sure we get all that beautiful corn flavor and juice. It's called milking your corn. And we'll add our corn to a medium mixing bowl. We'll chop 1/4 of a white onion. We'll take 1 jalapeno, we'll cut the top off and slice it in half. We're going to take the heat out by cutting out the white and the seeds of that jalapeno. We'll slice that jalapeno into strips and then we'll chop it into small pieces. We'll take a handful of cilantro and chop it into small pieces. And we'll take 1 pasilla pepper or a poblano pepper and we'll cut it into segments. We'll remove our seeds from those segments and slice them into thin slices. And then we'll chop those thin slices into small pieces. We'll add our pasilla or poblano pepper, our jalapeno pepper, our onion, and our cilantro. Now we're gonna wake up all those flavors sleeping inside with a little bit of lime juice and salt and pepper. It's time to mix it up. Break up the corn as you stir it up. And there you go. Beautiful corn salsa. I'll show you what we made this corn salsa for. We made an absolutely amazing chipotle chicken burrito bowl. We toasted that chicken with the cheddar cheese. We dropped a bunch of pepper jack on top to melt. Put a half an avocado on top. A little bit of salt and pepper and some tomato salsa. And of course our incredible corn salsa. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. Share this video with your friends and family. Let them experience corn salsa as well. If you are interested in this recipe, there is a link to this recipe in this video's description, which is right underneath this video. You can print off our recipe and check out what else we have out there too. Well, take care of yourselves out there. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.